is Engineer Emmanuel Ordonio from the College of Engineering and Technology. Since everything is digitized or digitalized or already in the computer, mas madali maghanap ng records. Okay? Accurate pa, no? Tapos, you don't waste time. And the output is greater. So, there's greater efficiency on that matter. So, first is the efficiency of service. The clinic now can serve as many students as possible. And secondly, in terms of addressing the needs of students in terms of health, medication, it's much easier because the system facilitates, the system itself nag-facilitate ng easier access to records, medicine, appointments, pwede mo silang pabalikin without wasting time of both the faculty and students. Kasi madali na mag-appointment. Pag sinabing balikan ng Thursday, balik ka. Madali nang malaman or to follow up kasi naka-record na sa computer. Okay? So I think on that aspect, mas madali na ang trabaho ng both medical staff and of course, mas na-address na yung pangangailangan ng mga estudyante. Of the system with that of the government, of course, kailangan sumunod, no? Especially we are a public university. We are guided by the policies, the activities of the government. So, dahil sa gusto nila digital or digitized, computerized, whatever you call it, so sumusunod ang Universidad de Manila. Okay? For that matter, mas madali ngayon na tutulungan yung mga estudyante. What else? Because of this innovation, we are relying with the Data Privacy Act. Napapangalagaan yung records ng mga bata who are the clients. So, medyo naiingatan yung kanilang records sa kanilang mga tawag dito, yung kailangan ng privacy on that matter, napapangalagaan yung mga bata.
Universidad de Manila, uplifting lives through quality education.